So, you've just installed a new alternator and battery in your vehicle, hoping to resolve the battery light issue. However, you're puzzled to find that the battery light is still illuminated. What could be causing this persistent problem? Let's explore some possible reasons. Reason 1. A faulty alternator. While you've already replaced the alternator, it's worth considering that the new one may be defective or not functioning properly. It's essential to double-check the connections and ensure that the alternator is providing the correct voltage output. Reason 2. Loose or damaged wiring. Examine all the wiring connections related to the alternator and battery, including the ground wires. Loose or damaged wiring can disrupt the charging process, leading to the persistent battery light. Reason 3. Belt issues. A loose or slipping alternator belt can impact the functioning of the alternator, causing inadequate charging. Make sure to verify that the belt is properly tensioned and in good condition. Reason 4. Voltage regulator problems. The voltage regulator is responsible for regulating the electrical output from the alternator. If it's faulty, it may not send the correct voltage to the battery, resulting in the illuminated battery light. Reason 5. Battery cables and terminals. Take a close look at the battery cables and terminals for signs of corrosion, looseness, or damage. Poor connections can impede the battery's charging process and keep the battery light on. Reason 6. Other electrical issues. It's possible that there are additional electrical problems within your vehicle's charging system, such as a faulty fuse, relay, or control module. Diagnosing and resolving such issues may require the expertise of a qualified mechanic. It's important to note that diagnosing and repairing electrical issues can be complex. To ensure an accurate diagnosis and resolution, it is recommended to consult a professional mechanic or automotive electrician. They possess the necessary expertise and diagnostic equipment to identify the cause of the battery light issue and rectify it. Remember, your vehicle's charging system is crucial for maintaining a healthy battery and powering various electrical components. Addressing the underlying cause of the persistent battery light is essential to ensure the proper functioning and avoid potential breakdowns. If you're experiencing ongoing battery light issues, despite a new alternator and battery, seek professional assistance to get your vehicle's charging system back on track.